Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on V-Ray Decals for Blender. Today we're going to explore one of the fastest and most flexible ways to add detail, variation, and realism to your projects. While decals are often associated with small surface details, they can do so much more than that. In fact, they can be used to shade entire surfaces, create layered materials, and achieve complex visual effects without the need to build complex shader networks. To demonstrate this, we'll use this stylized lighthouse scene. The overall model is already in place, but the lighthouse itself is still missing its defining colors and surface details. Rather than creating a complex material, we'll use decals to build up the entire appearance in just a few simple steps. Let's start by creating a V-Ray decal. Once it's created, we'll position it in place and switch the decal type to cylindrical. Then we have to make sure it wraps around the entire lighthouse body. To ensure the decal affects only the lighthouse, we can navigate to the Decal Objects section and add the lighthouse body as the only included object. This gives us precise control over where the decal is applied. With the decal in place, we can begin building our surface appearance. Inside the shader settings, we'll create a V-Ray blend material. This material will consist of two layers. The first will serve as our base layer, a white paint. The second will be a vibrant red paint that will form the iconic strip pattern often seen on coastal lighthouses. To combine these materials, we'll introduce a mask texture. The mask determines where each material appears, allowing us to create perfectly defined stripes while maintaining complete control over the pattern. One of the biggest advantages of using decals for this type of work is flexibility. Because the pattern is driven by the decal itself, we don't need to modify UVs or rebuild materials to adjust the design. Instead, we can simply move, rotate, or scale the decal until the stripes align exactly where we want them. At this point, the colors look great, but the surface still feels a little too clean and flat. To make the lighthouse feel more believable, we need to introduce some depth and texture. A simple way to achieve this is through displacement. We'll head into the object settings, create a V-Ray decal output, and connect a V-Ray bitmap containing a brick displacement map. Immediately, the surface begins to take a much richer appearance, revealing the subtle brickwork beneath the painted finish. But realism often comes from imperfections. Right now, the lighthouse still feels freshly painted, so let's introduce some aging and weathering. And here comes Chaos Cosmos to save the day. Inside Cosmos, we can find a variety of ready-to-use decal assets, including leaks, dirt streaks, damaged masks, and weathering effects. After downloading a leaked decal and placing it next to the lighthouse, you may notice that nothing appears to happen at first. This is because the decal layering is controlled through the order parameter. Our paint decal currently occupies the first layer, so any weathering decal needs a higher order value to render on top of it. Once we increase the order, the leak instantly becomes visible, helping the structure feel older and more naturally weathered. For the final touch, let's expose some of the brickwork beneath the paint. We'll bring a damaged decal from Chaos Cosmos and use it to reveal areas where the paint surface has chipped away over time. To achieve this effect, we'll first download a brick material from the Chaos Cosmos. Before replacing the existing material, we'll copy the damaged mask and use it as an opacity source for the brick material. This allows the mask to determine exactly where the paint breaks away. To enhance the effect even further, we'll reuse the same mask for displacement. By applying a negative displacement value, we create subtle recesses where the paint has worn off, revealing the underlying brick surface and adding another level of realism in the scene. And just like that, we've transformed a simple lighthouse into a detailed asset, using nothing more than a series of layered decals. Fast, flexible workflow that allows you to build believable surfaces with complete artistic control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.